All right, I've had a question about Unit 3, Lesson 3, and I'm looking at Part 2. In question number 6, again, it's evaluating limits. So this one, you gotta be a little bit careful here. So you're just checking to see, first of all, do we have an issue here? So you're checking to see if we substitute 1 in, if it causes us a problem. And when I substitute that value of 1 in, we find that on the denominator we'll have 6 minus 6, which is 0. So we do have an issue. So right away, I see a whole bunch of algebra, top and bottom, so I am going to go ahead and I'm going to factor, make sure we have our limit notation. Top is a difference of squares, x plus 1, x minus 1. Denominator, I'm going to start with the common factor of x, leaving me with x squared plus 5x minus 6. I can still factor that denominator out. One more step. So I have x plus 1, x minus 1 on the numerator. On the bottom, two numbers that multiply to 6 and add 5. So we would have x plus 6 and x minus 1. We now have a common factor top and bottom, or numerator and denominator. So we are left with, and this is what we're going to have to reevaluate, do we still have an issue if x goes to 1? So as x goes to 1, I see in the denominator I'm not going to end up with a 0. So I'm ready to go ahead and evaluate. So that means I'll have 1 plus 1, so I have 2 on top. And on the bottom, 1 times 1 plus 6, so I'm going to end up with 2/7. All right. Any questions? If you have any questions with that, let me know. But that's all there is to that particular question.